Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can operate pop-up view on this device. First of all, click on the square button. Now click on floating windows at the top left corner and select one of your apps from here. I will go with Play Store. Click on it, and as you can see, now I can use my app in this little window over here. If you're to use it overlay the other one, you can click on the other one and operating in both of them. If you wish to move this app, you need to hold it and drag it whenever you wish to. If you wish to close it, you need to click on the square button over here. So sorry. And finally, close your app in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!